legends never die. When the world is calling you, can you hear them screaming out your...
Hey, hi friends, welcome to Target Desi channel, and you are watching the Good One series, and it is the Good One 5. So in this series we will learn a new topic. So before going to start the topic, let me tell you a story. Now Mahesh is in his house. Actually, I am not in house. He is sitting on a wooden chair. He is holding a coat. He is putting it in almara. Dvija is Mahesh's wife. She is sitting in front of him. She is putting clothes too. Rita is sitting next to Dvija. She is Dvija's sister. She is helping the new couple. They are working together. They are putting clothes. At this moment, a man is coming in. He is wearing blue clothes. He is carrying a pile of clothes. They are all working together very hard. So the story is complete. If you observe this story, there are so many works are happening at this moment, right? And they are in progress. The work is in progress. The works are in progress, right? So today we are going to learn about that type of sentences. So we call that tense as the present continuous tense. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the present continuous tense. So watch till the end, and you have a surprise too. So watch till the end to know about the surprise. Okay, so when comes to present continuous tense, it tells about the work in progress or ongoing process. Let me observe some examples. Okay, let me take the examples from story that I told before this. She is sitting in front of him. She is putting clothes. Rita is sitting next to Dvija. She is helping the new couple. Mahesh is sitting on a wooden chair. He is wearing blue clothes. They are working together very hard. If you observe these sentences, we are using I am sitting right now. So this sentence also. If you observe these sentences, we may get a conclusion that we are using some helping verbs am, is, are, and we are using ing verb form, v1 plus ing verb form. Okay, so these are the common things that we are using this in these sentences, right? So the structure of present continuous tense will be like this: subject plus am, is, are plus v1 plus ing plus object. Here we are using v1 plus ing. v1 plus ing is also known as v4 or the fourth form of the verb, and it has itself as a name present participle. It called as present participle. In the earlier session I told about it, right? So we are using am, is, are in present continuous tense, right? So we know where to use am, is, are because we discussed in the earlier sessions, but we will discuss about it again, so don't worry about it. So we use am in front of I and is in front of third person singulars. They are he, she, it, and singular naming words, and we use are, are in front of we, you, and we, you, they. They is third person plural, you is second person, and we is first person, right? We know about it in the earlier sessions. So we use are in front of we, you, they, and plural naming words. Okay, so that is about the usage of am, is, are in present continuous tense and in simple present tense also. Okay, so now we are discussing about the present continuous tense. Friends, present continuous tense is also called as present progressive tense. So let me tell you some examples. I am reading a novel. We are bringing vegetables. You are listening music. They are driving a car. He is teaching English. She is giving to them. It is working here. Shiva is building a house. I am taking the vegetables. We are living in Hyderabad. You are teaching to the students. They are writing group 2 exams. He is driving a car. She is playing on behalf of India. It is flying in the sky. Sushma is sending the books. If you observe these examples, they are in this structure, in the form of this structure. Subject plus am is are plus V4 plus object, right? This is the structure of present continuous tense as we know, right? We discussed examples in the affirmative structure of present continuous tense. So the structure I told you, subject plus am is are plus V4 plus object, it is the affirmative structure or the positive structure of the present continuous tense. But present continuous tense itself has the negative structure too. So we have to know about it also, right? So let me observe some examples regarding to the negative structure or the negative structure of present continuous tense. I am not speaking in Hindi. We are not gathering those things. You are not asking me. They are not attending the class. He is not explaining to the students. She is not singing in movies. It is not closing there. Rakesh is not thinking about me. So if you observe these examples, we are using not after helping verbs, right? After the helping verbs am, is, are, we are using. So by using not after am, is, are, we can form negative sentences of the present continuous tense, right? So let me say the structure. Let me derive the structure from these examples. Okay, subject plus am, is, are plus not plus V4 plus object. So this is the structure of negative answer or the negative sentence of negative structure of the present continuous tense. Okay. So friends, I think you all understand about the present continuous tense. So these sentences that we discussed in this session are in the progress. The work is in progress, right? So let me tell you something. So as we discussed about the present continuous tense, it is tells about something is happening now in front of our eye or somewhere in any place, right? So that is the present continuous tense. Okay. So when comes to present continuous tense, we have to know some keywords to identify in terms of DSC examination or in terms of exams, right? To identify the present continuous tense, we have to know some keywords of it. So let me tell you about some keywords of present continuous tense regarding to the DSC examination. So let me know. So the keywords to identify the present continuous tense are now, look, still, see, at present, listen, at this moment, here, today, don't talk, nowadays, don't disturb me, don't disturb, don't make a noise. So these are some keywords to identify the present continuous tense when the examiner given to a sentence. Okay, so these are the keywords of the present continuous tense. So by remembering these keywords, you can identify the present continuous sentence in exam or in anywhere of in any context. So that is about the keywords, and we have to discuss one thing. Friends, in English language there are some verbs they don't have the V4. Okay, so those verbs are called as stative verbs. So we don't use those verbs in present continuous tense. So to tell the work or to tell the sentence by using those verbs, we use the simple present tense instead of present continuous tense. I think you understand. Those verbs are called as stative verbs. We don't use them in present continuous tense. Okay, they don't have V4. You have to remember it. Some stative verbs of perception and senses. like see, hear, smell, taste, notice, recognize. Verbs of appearing like appear, look, seem. Verbs of emotion like want, wish, desire, feel, like, love, hope, refuse, prefer, behave, hate. And verbs of thinking like think, suppose, believe, known, understand, remember, forget, agree, consider, trust, accept, need, mean, own, possess, belong, contain, consist, owe, owe, and other verbs like suggest, fear, find, promise, refuse, mind. So these verbs are called as stative verbs. Maybe some more verbs are there, but I think these verbs are enough for DSC examination. So these verbs are called as stative verbs. We don't use them in present continuous tense. So instead of present continuous tense, we use simple present tense to tell the work by using these verbs. Okay, so let me observe some examples regarding to these stative verbs. The rose smells sweet now. So this is the right structure, or this is the right sentence. The rose is smelling sweet now. It is a wrong sentence. She is seeming sad now. It is wrong sentence. She seems sad now. It is right sentence. We are loving our parents at present. It is a wrong sentence. We love our parents at present. So it is a right sentence. She is feeling happy now. It is wrong sentence. She feels happy now. It is right sentence. Okay. So these are some stative verbs to remember because we don't use them in present continuous tense. Okay. So friends, that is about present continuous tense of this session. There are so many things to learn about present continuous tense. We will discuss and we will learn in the next session, so don't worry about it. There is a surprise for you. As I told before, you have a surprise.
I want to change our channel name. If you have any suggestions, please tell in the comment section, and you can tell in Instagram or Twitter also. My suggestion is Arka of Ajat. So that is my suggestion. If you like it, say in the comment section. I am going to change our channel name if you don't tell me any suggestions as Arka of Ajat.
I am conducting an exam regarding to the earlier sessions. As we completed simple present tense, we have to know our performance in it, right? So we have to approach an exam. By approaching an exam, we can recognize our performance in that topic, in that particular topic, right? So in the description box or in the comment section, you can find the examination link. So go and click on that examination link and take the test and identify your performance. Share your suggestions too in comment section. So friends, I created Twitter account and Instagram account for the sake of our channel security. So please follow them because they are need to our channel security. So please follow them. I given the links in description box and in comment section too. Okay. So thank you friends. This is today's session. I hope you all enjoy it. If you like my explanation, please click on the like button, and if you want to more videos, please click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to get notifications. Okay. So please share with your friends and family this episode because I am trying to do the best as possible to me, because in my home there is so much of disturbance, so I am recording this video in outdoor. So please support me friends. So this is Mahesh KT and you are watching the Target DSC channel, the Good One series. So bye bye now.